Now here on question 3, it was asking us to apply spinors, and here in my activity main, now I used the relative layout still. They came on and started in a linear layout plus the text view that I called spinner demo. Then I came on and went on and added a spinner element, and this was it. And then I brought in a button that would help me like maybe get me to the next form or to the next activity, and this was it. So we got now first of all, this is in my second activity. It was just to bring what you've selected, what you had selected. Then I can still come here and show you for the second activity.java. That was it, as simple as that. So this was text view and text view. You see, I brought in an element of finding an object from the text view. Then I went on like this. Then after this major activity, the main activity. So this is the spinner element, of course. I was saying I had to declare it, then find the object in the spinner, to connect it with the view. Then this is the button still. It would call for an action after tapping on it. Then I went on and showed a spinner click listener, and this is how I set it. Then we also had an aspect of drop down elements, whereby we had to write the strings as they're shown here. Then after I had to create an adapter for the spinner. This is to connect the object with the views, of course. And this is how I managed to go on with it. Then for the drop down layout style, whereby we need the list view with the radio button, this is how we went on. Then here I had to attach the data adapter to the spinner, of course. Then with the button now, we had to use a set on click listener as a method, and this is how we went on to call it. Then I later had to use an on item selected method with the adapter view, and this was to help us select a spinner item. And then here I was showing selected spinner item. This is how I managed to append I appended selected to the item. Like if you could click on class VBA to bring selected VBA like that. Now that's how I managed to code it. Now here, if I run, it has to bring me the outcomes. This is how it is building. Yes, then after launching, bring you back to the phone now. Trying to view the device. it's connecting. So this is it. Now here, if I come on and click spinner demo, let's try to disconnect. Sorry. Connecting it back. So this is it. I can see go on and show you. When you click on this spinner, you can either select BBA. It shows you selected BBA. Then when you click on next, it brings you the second activity, BBA. This is how I tried to derive from what the notes were saying, and I tried to make something new, something a little different. So thank you, madam. I can now maybe get to question 4. Thank you very much.